What's up? It's been a long time since I updated this build on the Integra, but I have been working on it the entire time. I had shot some clips like explaining where I was at with the car, but I figured it would be better if I just wait a little bit and then do like a overview video. So let me show you where we're at with the car now. And here we are. This is the current state of the car. I had painted a test part, my spare hood. I painted it the Phoenix Yellow Y56, and I was between Y56 and the Championship White. I think it's NH0, and I was like, I think that Championship White is a lot more popular than Phoenix Yellow, especially on sedans. So I painted the hood, and it came out pretty dope. And I was like, you know what? Let's just go full fake Type R Phoenix Yellow for this car. And yeah, that's what I did. As you can see, the engine is still not put together. It's still out in the back, all laid out. But I kind of wanted to just knock out the painting of the car. It's my first time painting a full car, and not easy by any means. I took out all the rear interior because I'm gonna leave it gutted because race car, and then I decided to paint it. Pretty big pain in the ass. I taped up all the electrical harnesses, that way it would look a lot cleaner. And yeah, it looks pretty good. I have all the parts painted, the rest are inside. I've been keeping them in the house because the birds keep pooping on them in the backyard. And yeah, we'll walk in there in a second and I'll show you how the rest of the parts look. But this is just a little update video to let you guys know that I did not abandon the project. I just been doing painting pieces here and there when I have time. Let's do a little bit of MTV Cribs. Welcome to the house. Oh yeah. And I've been keeping these parts inside, like I said, because of the bird poop. Got pretty annoying. Got the door, mirror on there, fenders, side skirts, bumper, other door, and the hood. The hood's already sanded down, ready to be polished. And the headlights, I ended up sanding them, re-clearing them, sanded and cleared the indicators. And for the front doors, I took them apart, took the handles out, mirrors off, trim off, and oh my god, that was like a huge pain in the ass. But for the rear doors, I just painted everything on the actual door itself. And I have the rear doors sitting outside still, and now they're all covered in dust. But yeah, got the underside all painted. I pulled out the window motor for the front door, and that was probably the hardest thing I've done on this car and the most annoying. And I gotta do the same thing to this door because the window motor on this one is bad too. But it has a nice shine to it. The whole car is gonna need a general polish, but it doesn't look bad. After I got it painted, I rolled it outside, let it sit for a bit, and started taking all the masking off. And I'm like, let me just slap on the taillights real quick. And then let me just slap on the trunk. Let me just slap on the bumper. But those parts are all just test fit on there right now. And tomorrow I'll paint the the gas lid, and fix one of the door handles that I messed up. And I have a part to paint for a friend and a part for my aunt to paint. So I'll knock those out. And if you guys subscribed just for the content of this car, sorry that I've been lagging a lot, but I promise you we're getting back in the groove, and we'll be cranking out some more videos and getting this thing hopefully running. My crazy goal is to get it running by the end of this month, July 2021, but August is probably more realistic. So keep watching, and thanks for subscribing.